In this video, we're going on with the laws of exponents for grade 8 mathematics, and I would like to explain to you why anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So if I say 2 squared divided by 2 squared, you would say that is the same as saying 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. And in the previous video, we learned about the law of exponent when it comes to division. So 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is the same as saying 2 to the power of 2 minus 2. Because the bases are the same, we can subtract the exponents from one another. So this is 2 to the power of 0. But we have just saw that 2 to the power of 2 divided by itself is equal to 1. So therefore, 2 to the power of 0 is also equal to 1. So any number divided by itself, let's say for example, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. But in terms of exponents, 3 divided by 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1 divided by 3 to the power of 1. And if I apply the law of exponents, this is 3 to the power of 1 minus 1, which becomes 3 to the power of 0. So we can see that 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1, and also that 3 divided by 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 0. So that is why anything that you raise to the power of 0 would be equal to 1. If I have 7 to the power of 8 times 7 to the power of 0, that is the same as saying 7 to the power of 8 plus 0. Because the bases are the same, we can add the exponents together. So that is 7 to the power of 8. How about if we say 3 to the power of 4, raise that to the power of 0. And what we've learned in the previous video is when we have brackets, we can multiply the outside exponent with the inside exponent. So this becomes 3 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Or how about having 2 to the power of 7 times 3 to the power of 6 to the power of 0. And if we apply the law of exponents and distribute the 0 to the 7 and the 6, we have 2 to the power of 7 times 0 times 3 to the power of 6 times 0, which is 2 to the power of 0 times 3 to the power of 0. And that becomes 1 multiplied with 1, and that is equal to 1. So I hope in this short video that you could understand why anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1.